My business was at a standstill. It wasn't going anywhere, and I couldn't figure out what I needed to do until I went into the program.
To be successful, there's so many things you have to learn, whether it's technology, whether it's credit, whether it's risk, and you need a network to depend on. And hopefully through this program and with the help of our partners, we're going to be able to help you do that so you could succeed.
Well, let's face it, a passionate entrepreneur may have a wonderful idea, may care deeply about their product, deeply about their client, but if they don't understand a great business plan, if they don't understand what it takes to be relevant in 2019, they're not going to succeed.
Powering businesses is really at the core of CIT's mission, and that's why we're so thrilled to be partnering with Operation Hope on this important project.
I want to toast Chef Couture, one of the Hope Entrepreneur graduates who's feeding us tonight.
Well, first I like to bring beauty. I love food that is bright and smells good and tastes good.
When you've got somebody like this who has a passion but doesn't necessarily have the background with how do you start a business, how do you do a budget, how do you have a business plan, we can bring that piece and help her do the bit that she's successful at.
Operation Hope has been wonderful. They set out a module that you can literally look back to for the rest of your life.
The program really taught me how to go back, figure out what was working, what wasn't working, and it allowed me to expand my business.
This is my daughter, Anastasia, future entrepreneur herself. I'm looking forward to learning a little bit more of how my sales projections can grow, because I would like to get to $1 million in 2 years.
I'm really proud to be part of CIT because at the end of the day, this is the kind of thing that really makes, I think, all of us love our jobs even more.
I think it is very important for women to launch and grow their business because this is like a market of entrepreneurship right now. It's important for us women to just go for it.